Okay, now the last thing I'm supposed to do is well, the last functionality thing I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to report to the user um, the maximum and minimum numbers entered. Maximum and minimum numbers entered. This is from um, part 3 of the repeat until done, where um, it's showing me that I want to continue to enter until they choose to quit, and then report the largest and smallest number. Okay. So in order to do that, I need to be tracking those numbers, and I need to track those numbers all the way through the while loop, and then I need to report them after the while loop is done. So therefore, I can't declare them inside the while loop because I need to use them afterwards. I must declare them prior to the while loop. Int largest, and let me set the largest one to something really small, so that we'll be sure to find the largest one. And let me set the smallest one to something very large, such as integer.maxValue. And my logic is, every time through the loop, I'll collect the number, and then if the number is greater than the current largest one, it gets to be the new largest. And if the number is less than the current smallest one, it gets to be the new smallest. The first number is going to be both the largest and the smallest, because just how the way math works. Here's where I know what the number is, so I can do it right here. If the number I just got from the user happens to be greater than the largest one so far, I will set largest equal to the user's number that I just collected. Also, if number is less than the smallest number, that must mean it's the new minimum. So we'll set the smallest one to that number. I did not use else if right here because these are two different tests for largest and smallest. As I just said a minute ago, it's quite possible for the first number to be both the largest and the smallest number entered. And if the user only enters one number, we should report that number as both the largest and the smallest number. So at this point, the only thing I haven't done is report it. So now's the time. System.out.printf was the largest number entered, and %d was the smallest. I'm putting a \n here, a double quote, and a comma, and now I will start my my arguments, which is largest first, followed by smallest. Close up the parenthesis, save, and let's give it a spin. Give it for a spin. Okay, 3, 4, 5, yes, 4, yes, no. Okay, looks like my largest and smallest are working fine. My last job that I forgot to do was I need to encapsulate my counting of digits into a method, so we'll see that in the next video.